Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum 8th class. Today I'm going to teach you the review number 2, which is chapter number 5 to 8, and we will learn about the part number A, B, C and D today. First of all, about the part A, answer the following questions. Who is a magician? जादूगर कौन है? What trick would you perform if you were a magician? आप क्या ट्रिक करते अगर आप एक जादूगर होते? What happened to the twins when they were at school? ट्विंस के साथ क्या हुआ जब वो स्कूल में थे? Why were the woodcutters children always hungry? लकड़हारे के बच्चे हमेशा भूखे क्यों थे? यानी वो हमेशा भूख क्यों महसूस करते थे? Why was the youngest son called मिर्चू? सबसे छोटे बेटे को मिर्चू क्यों कहा जाता था? Why did the boys forget their hunger? लड़के अपनी भूख के बारे में क्यों भूल गए थे? Now these are the questions, and you will have to write the answers of these questions after rereading the chapters relevant to these questions. Okay, now the part B. Correct the following sentences. Some sentences have been written there which are incorrect, and we are to correct these sentences. First one, I is a boy. We know that we always use M with I. That's why we should write there M. She is here yesterday. Yesterday is a clue word which shows that we should use the past tense there. That's why we should write was in place of is there. I have been reading from 8 o'clock in the morning. The syntax shows that it is relevant to the present perfect continuous tense, and we always use since or for prepositions there, not from. That's why we should use there since, because it is the point of time, not the period of time. For the point of time we use the since, which is a calculated time. You can say that which is the limited time. He said, what is your name? It shows that it is the indirect narration, and it's the type 2 of interrogative sentence. He said that you should write this. He asked, what is your name? No, what my name was. What my name was. And there would be no question sign in the indirect narration. He asked what my name was, and what would be used as a conjunction there. Okay, and at the end we should place there the full stop. Now the fifth number, my mother asked me that where I was going. My mother asked me. There's no need to write the that, that's why cross it. My mother asked me where I was going. Okay, and at the end we should write the full stop. Okay, because it is also the indirect narration of the interrogative sentence type 2. Okay, now it's okay after you can say cancellation of the that. Now the C part, writing activity. Write a paragraph of about 100 to 150 words on puppet show. Puppet show, do you know about the meaning of puppet show? पुतली तमाशे का show in Urdu. You have ever seen, जो आपने कभी देखा हो. इसमें लिखा गया, it has been written. एक पैराग्राफ लिखें 100 से 150 वर्ड्स का पपट शो पे जो आपने कभी देखा हो. Make a mind map first. First of all, you have to make a mind map, and I think you know about it very well. You have been learning about the mind map since 6th class. Okay, now you will have to write a paragraph on the topic, which is a puppet show. Now the D part: for each word in list A, find a word of opposite meaning from list B, as shown in the example, just like wife, husband. And now poor. For what poor? For poor, rich has been given there, as like many words have been given there, and you are to resemble these words with a indicator. Okay, boys and girls. Now you will have to do this part yourself using your prior knowledge. Now the diary session. Make an assignment of part A, C. Okay. Solve the part B and D on the book. It means you will have to write the answers questions in the assignment, as well as you will have to write the paragraph, which is a part C, and you will have to solve the part B and D on the book. Okay, students, I will wait for your assignment. Allah Hafiz.